introduce you Cassida Xpecto. So let's unbox it and see what we got here. Okay, here we go. So we have seems like calibration plate, and we have a user manual here and a cleaning brush. Okay, nice. Power cable. Then we got Hopper guides. We have it fixed in the house or something. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, you have external display. Let's take it out. Wow, look at it. The color combination looks really good. It's really sleek, easy to place. Okay, let's fix the Hopper guides first. Sorry, my bad. Okay, there you go. Now let's connect the external display. Nice. Let's switch on the machine. So this is Cassida Xpecto, a mixed value counter with 2 CIS, 10 currencies and touchscreen. So I think in this price, Cassida Xpecto is a standing out machine which you have all these options and it's worth buying. So 2 CIS, that means the machine checks 2 sides of each and every node and gives you proper an output, says that whether it's a fake or a genuine node and give you the value and the number of pieces which is counting. So that's really good. And let's see, let's have a look on the options and currencies which is installed already and the mode and other functions. Okay, let's have a closer look of the machine. Let's see the functions, modes and how the touchscreen works and other things. So from the control panel I can see the currency button, print button, start and clear button. And these are the function buttons for the same function which is on the display. Either you can use the touchscreen or the function buttons, it's up to you. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yeah, it's like that only. So let's see what currencies we have. USD, GBP, Euro, AED, Saudi, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, Indian rupees. So that's 10 currencies already installed in this machine. And we have 2 more currency options, that's auto and multi. Auto, I think it's auto currency selection, and multi it's multi currency counting. So you have 10 currencies here, we can count all 10 currencies together and it gives separate details, I think. Let's check that later. First of all, let's go with the currency AED and let's see what modes, how the modes are working. So mix mode, denomination mode and count mode here. So let's choose mix mode first. And I have mixed denominations for AED. Let's see how it works. Cool, it shows number of pieces and total value, and if you want to see the total summary of each denomination, you just press yes, total. So it will give you the detailed explanation for each denominations. That's really cool. Let's go back. So that's mix mode. Now let's choose denomination. Denomination, it's basically if you are counting one particular denomination and you need to know if there is any other denomination in between. So I have a bundle of 500 here. Let's put 100 in between. Let's see how the machine catches. Okay, that's cool. The machine checked the first node, it seems, and it compared with upcoming nodes. And when it reaches a different denomination, the machine stops, give you an error message. So here we have to do just take out the node and press start button. You don't need to take all the nodes and count again. So just press start button, you will get the number of pieces and total value. If you want to see the summary, just press total. That's really simple. And now the next option we have is simple count mode. Simple count mode, as we all know that there will be no detection and it will give only number of pieces. You can count any currency in this mode. So it counted and gives you number of pieces. That's it. You can also see that details on the external display. Nice. Now we have add option. Add, it's basically for if you have 3 or 4 bundles and you need to add up all those bundles together and to get the summary, like there's some total sum for that. Just we can use the add option. So let's say I have 2 different bundles. I counted one. Give you number of pieces. So it's in count mode. Let's change it to mix and check. Okay, I counted. Bundle 16 pieces. 6,900 is the value. I place another bundle. It's keep on adding up. So that's the idea of add option. Then let's see. Okay, it's clear. Let's see what functions we have. Batch is basically, let's say if you have 100 number of pieces and you need only 50 pieces or 10 pieces from that, you have to choose batch and select the batch amount here. So switch it off and choose 10. So I want only 10 pieces batch. Okay, enter. I have a bundle. When the number of pieces reaches 10 and the batch set is 10, so it stops. Take out the bundle. So another 10 counts. Another 10 counts. Here, like it was keep on adding up because the add was switched on. So it's very simple to understand. The machine is very user friendly. Okay, now let's go to the functions again, see what we got. We have already checked batch. Now let's see speed. Okay, we have 3 different speed, 800, 1000 and 1200. Let's see whether 1200 is available in all the modes. In count mode it's available. In mix mode it already changed to 1000 too. So that means in mix mode and denomination mode we will get only 2 speed, 800 and 1000, and in count mode we can increase it to 1200. Okay, it's fine, it's good. Let's see the function. Let's go to the orientation. What is this for? Okay, phase and orientation. It's basically for banks. If they need to change, like sort the notes according to the same phase, they can use this. But in this machine, it will keep on stopping. It's not like a 2-pocket machine. So either like we have the option here, you can use it. It's up to you. And how to start is here. It's manual and automatic, so you can choose that accordingly. Issues for US dollars, white color and blue color notes will be separated. Auto add, it will keep on adding up when it's switched on. So we have that option here. Let's check the 2 more options we have in currency. So currency, go down and you will see auto and multi mode. So auto is basically if you are counting 2 different currencies and the machine check the first node. So let's say first note it's dirhams and only dirhams will be counted, other currencies will be rejected. So I have here a few dirhams. Let's put like dollars in between. Let's see how the machine detect and segregate it. So auto. The first note is dirham. Okay, all dirhams counted. When it reaches US dollars, it stopped and give you error message. Take out the note and press start. Yeah, the same with another US dollar. Take it out and press start. Okay, all notes counted and you'll get number of pieces and total value. Really good. The next option we have here, it's multi. So that means if you want to count AED, USD, Euro, GBP, all currencies together, it is possible in multi-currency. So I have dirhams, dollars. Okay. Here you get number of pieces and automatically show the summary. So US dollar 14 pieces, 772 is the value. AED 31 pieces, 8,700 is the value. So that option is really good. Let's see what we have at the back side of the machine. So this is for the external display. This I am not sure about that. This USB is for updation, and this is for thermal printer. And I can see a slot for SD card. It's for updation as well. So we have gone through all the options and functions we have in Cassida Xpecto. I personally really like the machine. It looks really good. The color combination is really good. It's very small. You have 10 currencies. 2 CIS, and it got a touchscreen. So for this price, it seems like very convenient and very user-friendly machine, and it's worth buying. So if you are looking for a machine for cheaper price with proper detection, you can easily go for Cassida Xpecto. For more details, you can go to the website www.cassida.me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.